Hello guys, welcome to my Advent Tech channel. Today I am going to show in this video how to fix Google Chrome does not open when you click on the Google Chrome, or you can say Google Chrome not launching. So before going to start the video, if you are not subscribed my channel, please subscribe. So let's start the video. Guys, if your Google Chrome is not opening when you open the Google Chrome, then I will show you how to fix this. First of all, you need to right click on your Google Chrome, click on the properties. You need to click on open file location. Just click on this. After that you will see this type of interface. In this you can see this folder 99.0. In your PC it may be some different name. You need to just open this folder. Here you need to find chrome.dll. You can see chrome.dll file. You just need to right click on that and click on delete. After deleting, just close this window and close this window, and you need to open your command prompt window. Just click on start menu, then type here cmd. Just right click on that cmd and click on run as administrator. Click on yes. Here you need to type netsh space winsock space reset and hit enter. After completion of this process, just close this window and you need to restart your PC. After restarting your PC, hope your problem will be solved. That's it guys. So in this way you can fix Google Chrome does not open when you click on the Google Chrome, or Google Chrome not working or not launching. That's it guys. Thanks for watching. Hope if you like this video, please like, share and don't forget to subscribe.